Hi, my name is Alyssa. In the past year, I have lost 62 pounds. I started doing this because I went to a fertility doctor because I want to get pregnant again. So that's how I started my journey, because I had to bring down my BMI. So I started that journey with the fertility doctor, and I started losing weight to get there. But I wasn't getting there fast enough on my own. So I decided I had to go the extra step to get there. And I found Dr. Tack. I wanted a medical doctor to help me. I didn't want to go to Jenny Craig or Weight Watchers. I wanted somebody to help me. I am a lazy person. If I make everybody else's meals and I get to mine, I'm starving. So I will eat whatever's there. Sometimes it's not good stuff. So it's better for me to have something that's easy to make. The shakes are perfect for that. Because you make them pudding, you can add stuff to the pudding, like fruit, whatever you need to make it good for you. Some days it's hard, like when everybody's eating French fries and burgers, and you're like, I'm just gonna walk away, and I just go back and don't watch them eat it. The first month or two, it's hard. Like everybody else has a burger, and you're like, I want a burger. But once in a while, I can have meat. And I made the pancakes. I used the pancakes for bread, and I could have the meat with the pancakes. So I found ways to have my compromises. I felt like I was still having a burger. I could have a little cheese with it. So I found ways to find my compromises. You don't have to miss out on everything. My blood work got better because also the second reason I did it was because my triglyceride level is like 700 plus. So I needed to bring my blood work down. I've had that for years, so that's very bad. It has to come down a little bit more, but it's actually 100% better than what it was. The next part of my journey, which is hopefully going back to a fertility clinic and getting to the next step, and then I'll probably come back after because there'll be the post after. Because I won't be losing the weight on my own on that part either. Because it'll be hard because I'm not young anymore.
Right.
But I think for a lot of people, if you want to take this journey and it's hard, it's a good step to do this, because even if you want to do the basic program, it's still a good starter step for anybody, because it is hard at a certain point just to take a step in the right direction. I think he's a very good doctor. He's very thorough, and if you have a question, he will sit with you and he'll answer your questions thoroughly. And if you need to get in contact with him, he's always in the office, and you can call and leave a message and he will answer it in a nice and orderly manner. And he's there, and he remembers when you had a conversation with him. So I've been other doctors where you literally had a conversation with them and you have to repeat the last conversation you had with them. So Dr. Tesh is not like that. He does remember your conversation when you've had it with him. My name is Alyssa. In the past year, I have lost 62 pounds.